Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Steam screenshots folder on your Windows computer. And this tutorial will apply for macOS devices as well. It's a pretty, uniform process here for everybody. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Steam tab up at the top left and go down and select Settings. Select In-Game on the left side here. And on the right underneath screenshot shortcut keys, select the screenshot folder button. And now at this point you can see the default or the current save folder for the external screenshots. And if you want to save them to a different location on your computer, you can go ahead and select that folder and then select the select button and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.